This is the 5th video presentation for the CASE Ag Power and Technology course. As you view this video, be sure to make notes of important information. Feel free to pause, repeat, and resume the video whenever necessary. Operating Procedure, Lesson 2.2, Safe Operation. You have completed Activity 2.2.2, during which you looked at the components of power tools and evaluated associated safety hazards. This presentation provides information about written procedures to help operators use tools and machines in a safe manner. All tools have similar operating procedures. If you can identify the steps to a standard procedure, understanding detailed steps for specific tools becomes much easier. Begin with safely removing the tool from storage, then handle and operate the tool safely, and finally replace in storage. Before you can operate a power tool, be sure you have the proper PPE. PPE will vary depending on the associated hazards and risks. Certain types of clothing and grooming could impact your safety as well. Loose clothing and hair can catch fire or be caught in equipment. Jewelry can become entangled or jammed in the equipment. The type and size of the material will determine the environmental controls, attachments, fastening, and procedures for using a tool. There are many environmental controls that may need to be in place to protect you and the people around you while you are using the tool. Proper ventilation may be needed to remove dust and fumes. Proper ear protection may be needed because of the high noise levels. Curtains may need to be in place to protect others' eyes. Many tools have multiple purposes. This means that attachments and/or accessories may be needed when using the tool for a certain purpose. The material that the tool will be used with must be prepared properly and fastened to prevent injury to the operator and others. The type of material, size, and shape will determine the settings on the machine. The operator needs to know when and how to make those settings. Once the machine has power, it becomes much more dangerous, even if it is turned off. The power supply should be inspected for damage to avoid electrocution, and the machine should be checked to see that it is in the off position before plugging it in. The operator should be in the correct position to avoid being struck by material worked on by the machine or the machine itself. Others should be warned and out of harm's way before the machine is used. Proper use of the tool includes the speed it should be operated at and the amount of work that the operator needs to do while operating the machine. Tools should never be forced through material that it is working on. Once the job is complete, the proper shutdown procedure should be completed. This includes disconnection from power, cleaning the tool, inspection for wear, and proper storage. As a review, mark or highlight 3 key points in your notes that are important to remember from this presentation. List 2 ideas or concepts that relate to previous knowledge. List any questions you have about this topic. Discuss these questions with your instructor. Keep any notes you have from this presentation organized and available for use throughout the course. Through Activity 2.2.3, Safe Operation, you will write an operating procedure for using a power tool safely in order to understand that operating procedures keep the operator safe and also keep machines and tools in good working order. Your teacher will provide more instructions for the activity.